all going on with your body. You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah, sura shepu na tabia. So baby, tell me what you're into.
Hi guys, Dara Maps here. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do a quick eyebrow tutorial. This is for a natural everyday look. I'm actually getting ready right now to go to school. I got class. Gotta go. Yeah. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to start by brushing your eyebrows upwards. Brush your eyebrows upwards. So first we're going to start with underlining underneath our eyebrows. Just starting by underlining the bottom of your eyebrow. Right? So starts here, right? Arches here, and then ends here. Now we're going to start with the tail of the eyebrow, and we're going to start shading in. Okay? So now we're going to outline the top of our brows, right? Okay. And again, very smoothly, don't be rough. And we're starting in the middle. Don't go to the front, just do the middle. So at the front, you're gonna do upward strokes to make it seem like there's hair, right? Okay. So you just wanna lightly do little upward motion. Light upward motion. With your spoolie and just gently brush out product. Just drag out some product. Now this is the optional part. It helps me. I'm used to doing this. So I take my little brown shadow and I just start from the, from the middle and go towards the back. So what you want to do is you want to start in the middle so there's not too much product. So start in the middle, or you could do little dots. It's easier that way. And then you just start dragging it forward. Same thing, the little 3 dots. Okay, and then I kind of like come in the middle because I hate having that like, it looks like a hawk. I don't know why, it just does to me. And then I'm just gonna take some my powder.
In my